hustling. Welcome back to the Matrix. You're not just in the Matrix, you are the Matrix. How's it feel, Neo? Haha, what's going on? It's your boy Ski. And today, we got a banger daily market news and analysis. So without any further ado, let's bring the action. All right. So Whitehouse, they claim even if the GDP contracted, it is not a recession. So, you know, for hundreds of years, we've had this standard definition of 2 quarters in a row of GDP loss, and that would mean that we are, in fact, in a recession. The White House solution is just change the definition. So, you know, they're claiming it's not a leading indicator. So it's like if I were to go out, you know, and my wife suspects me of having an affair, she said, "Hey, where were you last night?" I would say, you know, that's not actually a leading indicator of if I had an affair or not. What you should be looking at is if I had pizza or not. Completely crazy. They're absolutely just completely gaslighting the public. Like, they just expect us to be so dumb that we cannot, like, it's been the same definition for 100 years, and their solution is just change the definition. You can't be in a recession if you change the definition on what a recession is. So there you go. Absolutely gaslighting us. But let's get into the crypto news. After this, Speaker Pelosi just sold 25,000 shares of NVIDIA for an average price of $165. So I think that this is a get the old cent off the insider trading thing, if you ask me. All right, so listen, the winner, I forgot, the winner of the giveaway. Let me, So I did a 300 Hbar giveaway. So I did a 300 Hbar. I'm doing a 300 Hbar giveaway. On my last video, you had to comment the word of the day, you had to like the video, and you had to subscribe to the channel. So the winner of that is, and I'm sorry if I say your name wrong, it's Rajesh Kumar. So DM me on Instagram or Twitter, screenshot me your proof that you both are subscribed to the channel and that you like the video, and then send me your Hbar receive address. And if you need help, I can give you some resources on how to get that. And I will be sending you 300 Hbar. So congratulations to Rajesh Kumar. And not to fear, we're going to be doing another giveaway. If you didn't win out, we're going to be doing lots of giveaways. So we're going to be doing another giveaway at 400 subscribers. Once we hit 400 subscribers. So you're going to want to stay tuned because it's going to start now. And whoever has the most tallies on from now until 400 is going to be the winner. And if it's a tie, I'm going to flip a coin. But so stay tuned towards the end of the video. I'm going to give you the word of the day to win 400 Hbar for when we hit 400 subscribers. Now, if you're not following me on Twitter, go ahead and follow me on Twitter. @Gajewskey. Swole is the goal, size the prize. Amander Research leads 3.25 million seed round for NFT media company Trustless. Now, in my opinion, this is really cool. This is what NFTs are going to be. It's not going to be some JPEG or crazy art. It's going to be like people's music. It's going to be my cartoon channel, or my cartoon of Nickelodeon. The episode is going to be an NFT. It's going to be the contract, the deed to your house. That's going to be an NFT. All these middlemen are going to go out the wayside. Sayonara. See you later. Because once it's on the blockchain, it's on the blockchain. And there's no need for middlemen. Helium receives funds in millions, but has 6.5K monthly revenues. Now, this is kind of bad news. I personally have a Helium miner. So I don't know if they're saying like net profit on the first month. If that's the case, then 6.5 monthly revenue isn't that bad. because they're in the infrastructure building phase. So we'll see. We'll see how this plays out. I know they're coming out with like the 5G thing, so we'll keep an eye on that. I am long-term bullish on helium, but this is some bearish news. But maybe it's just some FUD. We'll see. It's another 19K reset inbound for Bitcoin price analysts. Now, I personally think 19K Bitcoin is fine. If we hit 19K Bitcoin, let's look at the charts real quick. 19K Bitcoin, it keeps us right in this range still. We're still trending upwards. So if we can hold, yeah, like literally 19K, like that's literally fine. Because that would just be, we would just have this little pattern right here. It would just be a lower or a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, and then if it comes back down to 19, a higher low. And it would just be working its way out of there. So if we can hold 19K, like that's literally fine. That's fine. Let's look at some more charts. So I was looking at Matic. Someone on my TikTok, he wanted me to do a breakdown. I'm going to do a little bit further. I ended up coming to the conclusion, Matic. Matic is like a bullish project. It's a fundamental project. I personally use the Polygon network almost every single day. I love the Polygon network. Now, I will say about Matic, we are absolutely in the overbought territory. And we've had a cross to the downside. And we've had like a perfect 2.36 retracement here. So it would not be crazy for us to come back down here to 50 cents. Like that seems in the cards on the short term. But on the long term, big picture, Matic is a fundamental project. And I think the next bull run, us to see like $9.50 to $11, $12, I don't think that would be crazy at all. So Matic might be a good project to start dollar cost averaging. Now on the day, we are just shy of that, like literally 999.45. Like maybe if I refresh it again, actually. No, okay. I thought that would be cool if we would have hit the 1 trillion like in the middle of me doing it. So we're having a nice little green day. Now I do think for the next few days, cryptocurrency is going to be extremely volatile. We have lots of earnings coming out. We have the recession. The GDP numbers are going to be coming out. I think the rate hike on how high they're going to raise interest rates, that comes out today. So from now until Thursday, cryptocurrency is going to be very volatile. But as you can see, like look, Ethereum Classic is just up 20%. Just crazy pumping. Quant is up almost 10%. Now, this is unfortunate, but hey, it is what it is. I actually put out an alert on, I think Quant was right around $81, $82. And I put out an alert on my Patreon. Subscribe to the Patreon. I put out alerts all the time. But I put out an alert if Quant reached $75, I was going to be taking 5% of my cash reserves and buying Quant. And unfortunately, it just didn't get it, but that position would be up 10% already. But still, long-term Quant, I'm super bullish on Quant. I think Quant is absolutely going to go to $1,000. Let's look at the big picture. Bull run. Let's look at the Fibonacci retracement on Quant. Here we go. Again, Quant is a fundamental, and we've hit this 236 almost perfectly. So, yeah, I think we're going to retrace. Like, I'm looking to get back in, build a position around $65, $75. We might go up to 130. We'll see. But it looks like we've hit a 2.36 extension, and yeah, 0.236 extension, yeah. So, yeah, I could see us going back down to like $70. So that's where I'm going to be looking to build a position. But long term, I think quant can easily hit it. Easily, this is only the 2.6. It could easily hit $1,000, and it's more likely to hit 1,500 to even like 1,700 on the next bull run. So quant is one of my biggest holdings. I absolutely love quant. We've had a cross to the downside, and we're in the completely overbought point at this point. So I mean, I would look for it to be retracing. It looks like it might have a little momentum to the upside, but we'll see what it does. But long term, super bullish on quant. Let's see what we're looking like here for Hex. Yeah, 130 for Hex, 180 for Hex. Hex is starting to get into that overbought point. Let's look at it on the 5-day. It's still way under. Actually, let's look at the quant on the 5-day. Yeah, quant even on the 5-day is starting to get into that range, and it's actually touching the 200 EMA. So yeah, I'm looking for quant to come back down. You know, these things don't just go up in a straight line. They don't just go down in a straight line. So look to maybe start accumulating some quant. Now, all right, if you made it this far in the video, you are a real OG. And the word of the day for the running of the contest of 400 Hbar, I'm going to be giving away 400 Hbar when I hit 400 subscribers. So all you have to do to win that, you have to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and you need to comment down quant. I'll be announcing the giveaway within a few weeks who the winner will be once I hit 400 subscribers. So comment down QNT, like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you want my exact buy, call, sell alerts when I make them, books that have changed my life, impacted me, and much more, go ahead and subscribe to the Patreon. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, follow me on TikTok, subscribe to the channel. All of my links will be in my link tree down below. But that is it for this time. Peace, love, prosperity. I'm out. God first. God.
Day I'm hustling.
It's your boy, Ski.
Hustling.